Do you want to see who follows you on your Threads app? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can know who follows you on Threads. Go ahead and open your Threads application on your phone. Now, after you open your Threads app, go ahead and click Profile, which is on the bottom right hand corner. You can see that this is your profile. Click on the followers and you can see that these are the people who are following you. So this is your following and this is your pending. So go ahead and click on your profile, which is on the bottom right hand corner of Threads. Click on this over here and you can see that this is your followers. This was a video on how you can see who follows you on Threads. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.